welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in today's video we're going to be looking at a Modelones 12-piece polygel. It's not a kit, it's just polygel. So I found this on Amazon a while ago and I've not seen anyone do any reviews on it. It's a pink and purple polygel set. So literally this is what comes in the box. You get instructions and you get 12 different colours, and it is all pinks and purples and glitter polygels. They are 10 grams each and they all come sealed. There is also a clear and a white in here. There's also a blue one, which I have got and I will do a review on soon. So these are all the colours that you get. These are all the swatches. They are really nice colours. I didn't have any problems with any of them. The darkish nude colour did have like a bit of like an oily sort of substance coming out of the tube along with the polygel itself. So I don't know what that was there, but I think it was just maybe it was a bit old and it needed a good like shake or squeeze to mix up in the bottle. I don't know. But we are going to do a quick simple set, I guess, on my practice hand here. So I kind of wanted to do some long nails, and I wanted to do like a variety of different nails to complete a set, and I really did like how these turned out, and I'm getting so much better with my e-file as well, I might add. So the first nail here, of course this is my practice hand. If you do this on your natural nails, you would need to prep, and I will leave a video in the cards in the corner, the little eye, that you can click on if you want to see how you would prep your nails. But I just went in with the polygel rather than wasting like base coat and stuff like that. So I just put a nail bed down, a French tip, and basically I pushed it into the cuticle area, and then I patted and pulled it into like the French tip sort of edge. I don't know what to call it, sorry. And then I cured, and before curing after curing, sorry, I then went in with the pink glitter, and I do a glitter ombre with the two glitter polygels. I kind of wanted to use both glitters, and I kind of wanted to do like a glittery butterfly pink and purple set. So yeah, so this one here, what I do now is I just push it around the sides of the French tip nail bed area thing, and then I pull it down the nail, making sure that it is all tidy. You can go in after you've done the French tip bit, the nail bed, you can go in, wipe it off with some slip solution, and then cure, and then file after you've cured, and then go in with your other colours. But I was happy with the French, so I just left it. But yeah, of course, if you are not perfectly done, just use your nail file and just go around the sides. There is no harm in it, of course, and it does make it a lot easier for you. And now I'm going in with that other glitter colour, and I'm ombreing it down into the pink that I just put in. I cured the pink first and then went in with this colour. There was a lot of curing in between each colour. I did notice this polygel, it's soft, but it's not too soft. I actually liked working with it. It's not too sticky, but it does get sticky after a while, but I think that's every polygel. But you can see I hardly dip my brush. I think I dip it once or twice maybe between each colour. And I cured that nail, and then I moved on to the middle finger here. So I moved all the fingers out of the way because they were doing my head in. And now I'm going in with it's like a lilac-y purpley sort of, no, it's like a mauve, I think it's called, purple. And I'm doing the same as I did with the French nail bed, but instead of doing the rounded tip, I do a complete straight line because I wanted to do some colour blocking. I haven't done colour blocking since like, gosh, I think it was McCart's green kit. So that was a long time ago now. So yeah, I wanted to try this again. The last time I done it, it turned out really bad. So yeah, let's give it another go. Let's give it another shot. Because if at first you don't succeed, try again. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just patting and pulling it into place, making sure it is all even. And then I go across the free edge here. Well, not the free edge, but the edge of the polygel, making sure it's straight and just patting it into place. I didn't cure enough. This was my fault. So yeah, you can't flash cure this polygel. You need to do a full 60-second cure. Otherwise, you're going to have a nightmare. So then what I'd done is I wiped away the sticky tacky layer after I'd fully cured for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with my nail file and I'm just crispening, straightening, whatever you want to call it, up this line here. And then I wipe away the dust and I go in with the it's like a silver purple glitter, and I do the next colour, and then once I've done that, I do the same steps then where I cure, wipe and file again, and then I go in on the end. The tip colour then is the purple again. But I was sitting here and I was thinking, I wish I'd done a pink to purple ombre for the tip of this nail. I think that would have looked really nice. So I might have to do this set again with the blue set, but do it a bit different and do that, because I love ombres. I think they're so pretty. But these polygels are really nice to work with. They do fully cure, but like I said, you can't really flash cure them. Yeah, you can't even flash cure the glitter one, because I noticed on the ring finger it moved when I tried to ombre the pink glitter and the silver glitter. I don't know why, but it does cure fully if you do a full cure. So it does cure. So then the next nail, I do a 4-color ombre, and then the pinky turned out really, really cute with the two muted colors, the two like just solid colored, the purple and the pink. And yeah, so those were the colors that I chose. I really did like this kit. I always like Modelones polygel. I've never had a problem with it, and I think that is great for like beginners because it's not too firm. It's a nice consistency of like softness. Is it? I don't know the texture. Is it? I think it's viscosity or something. I think it's called, but I always butcher that word. So yeah, and then of course once I had finished doing all of the nails, I then went in with some clear and I clear capped every single nail and cured again. But with the ombre, because we're going to move on to the next one now again, I think. So with the ombre, I literally just put a bead onto the end and I worked it down the nail. I worked backwards across the nail, then I cured, put the next colour on, and I worked it backwards, then I cured again, and I repeated the steps until I'd done all 4 colours. Of course, like being careful around the cuticle area. With polygel, the best way to ombre is to push it down the nail and then bring it back on itself. I hope that makes sense, so it kind of thins it out and spreads it. Yeah, that's the only way I can really describe it. You'll see what I mean anyway, because I do leave everything in the video. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this set, and like I said, I clear capped and I filed. I am going to come back though when we start to do some decals and some stickers. So yeah, I'm just going to stick some music on and I'll be back in a bit, guys. Enjoy! And I'm back, guys. Hello. So this is what the result of the nails look like after they have been filed and shaped. I wiped away, can't get words out. I wiped away the dust from the nails, and now I'm just going in with some butterfly stickers that I got off of Amazon, I believe they were. I will link everything down below in the description box. But yeah, this was the end, like the last few bits that I decided to put on. I just put some random pink, purple, blue and yellow, like spring, summery time butterflies all over the nails. And I'm really happy with how they turned out. The colour blocked glitter area, I wasn't sure what to put there because I was like, shall I put a butterfly there? And I was like, no. And I decided to just put the word butterfly in the space, and it worked out really well. I think it turned out really nice. And then once I was done with that, I then went in with some top coat and I cured for a full 60 seconds. So yeah, I really enjoyed this set, and I think it's a great, I think I've already said this, I don't know. I've already recorded this voiceover once, but my kids were screaming in the background because they were outside playing in the garden. The sticker does move here, by the way, but I just move it back with the brush and it stays with the top coat. My little girl has had an ear infection for nearly a week, and today she finally went back to school because she was feeling better, and she's really excited because she gets to go out to play with her friends and stuff like that today. So yeah, that hence why I didn't upload on Saturday. I do apologise, but yeah, my little girl was poorly, so yeah. Okay, honey. My son's going back out to play. But yeah, guys, other than that, I top coated, like I said. I done a 60-second cure. And this is the end result. I can't get all the dust off of my practice hand. I do apologise for all the like little bits. I've tried alcohol, gel cleanser, washing the hand and acetone, and nothing seems to be wanting to take these little bauble bits off, so they're just going to stay there, but it's fine. It doesn't really bother me. But yeah, I decided to do 2 shots, one inside in studio lighting and then the outside lighting. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to keep on smiling, stay safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.